This video will show you how to use Excel's autofill feature. You're given this sheet, so we're gonna use Excel functions to solve these problems here. So let's start with section 1, preparing the data using right cell sheet. So first, you are required to use a function to find the day, month, year for each transactions. Column C, D, E. Use autofill to complete all. This is column C, D, E. So realize that you are given the date as this is year, month, day. So let's start with the day. So the first thing you're gonna press equal sign, type text, then you can insert the date, press column, quotation mark, then you're gonna say, since it's our day, you're gonna press the first letter of day, which is D. Then you're gonna press 4 times. So press enter. Now realize that this column is too small to fit this width, so you're gonna come to here to increase these cells, say format column width. Now we want to widen this column. Now realize that it is now big enough to fit this. So even if it wasn't big enough to fit this, let's say maybe you wanted to write Tuesday as TUE, right? Just gonna say now realize that we got for this here, you can use 3Ds as well to write Tuesday as TUD. Then you can press enter. This is TUD. So if you wanted to fill these cells as well, you can just go to the bottom right corner of this, and just when you see the plus, you can just double click it if you're using laptop. These are the days. So now let's come to a month. You can press equal sign, text, double click. So now you're gonna insert the date, then column, quotation mark. Since it's month, you're gonna press the first letter of month, which is M. Now let's press it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now press the quotation mark, close the brackets, then press enter. Now realize that you have December as full. So if you wanted to write as DEC, just include erase 1 M. Now you have 3 M's, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Then you can press enter. This is DEC. So now if you want to autofill these cells, you can come here to the right bottom of this cell, and when you see this plus, you can double click. Now let's come to press equal sign, text, insert this, then say column. The first letter of the this word here is Y, so you're gonna press 4 Y's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the bracket, then press enter. Now you got 2021, which is the same as this one. Then you can come to, if you want to autofill it, you can come to the bottom right corner of the cell, and when you see the plus sign, you can double click it. Now realize that you got here you got 2021. This is 2021. 12th month, which is December. Even this one is 2022. 10th month, which is October. 2021. The 8th month, which is August. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.